Very helpful list. You once said you don't make money running a business, you make money selling a business.
Yeah.
So you obviously have made the decision to be in the M&A field. If it's somebody who's enjoys running the business, should they stay running the business, or should they be focused on selling the business?
Yeah, no, I think it depends what their goals are. I mean, look, ultimately, I think most people, when they get into, I would say broadly entrepreneurship, whatever form that takes, I think we do it because we want some degree of freedom. Yeah, we want either time freedom or financial freedom or both. The problem is a startup takes away all of your money and all of your time. And when the business gets bigger, it doesn't necessarily get an awful lot better in that department, So you can really work your nuts off, and while a business is growing, you actually can't take a lot of cash out. So you might find you can take 30 grand a year out of your business or 50 grand a year out of your business, but if you sold it, you could get like $1 million. Well, if you got $1 million, you might be able to get 100 grand or 200 grand from investing that $1 million, which means you're already 6 times better off than you were, and you have all your time. And with all your time, you can go and do another one, or buy a company, or or do something else. And so, creating the financial freedom and time freedom through creating capital events, I think, is a really key stepping stone as an entrepreneur. Now, of course, if you absolutely love it, if this is the thing that makes you want to get up every morning, of course, don't kill the goose and get rid of it. But show me an entrepreneur 10 years in that still loves that thing like their firstborn, and I'll show you a maniac.
Very funny. We're going to take a quick break, be back in 30 seconds with more from Jeremy Harbour.